This is the progress of my Kombi. It's coming on really nicely, but I would have to sort this dashboard out as well. And I've already took off the vent grill, and yeah, now I have to get levers to open up the vents like it opens up, but I don't have the levers for it's actually not in there. As you guys can see, it's not in there, and I have to get that sorted with the paint removal going on really nicely. But as you guys could see, I've removed the grill, the logo, but that's going to be restored, so that's cool. My logo is going to be restored, and still working on that. I also removed that bumper so that could get fixed. As you guys could see, that's going to have to get fixed up as well. And after once that's done, I'll have to find some shells for the lights and some indicators to get that sorted. And so far the restoration progress is going on really nicely. I don't have to take down the whole paint, so all I have to do is take paint off where it's rusted. The background here is rusted, so I have to take this part of the paint off per panel. But so far it's okay. It's a little bit too much work, but yeah, it's not that bad. Well, it is kind of bad, but that I would have to get sorted.